Okay, so the issue of Lapangap will be taken up in the border talk.
Yeah, in the border talk tomorrow.
So what is the present situation in Lapangap now?
So today's situation is under control. Yeah, presently there is a force now, so tomorrow will be finalized what action we should take.
So additional forces is being deployed.
Yeah, already, yeah.
But what is the main reason? Because, like you mentioned earlier, that Lapangap is not even under the areas of difference. Na?
Yeah, actually it's not there, but conflicts always. So this place is, even Lapangap village itself does not fall under the area of difference. And when this Lapangap people went to harvest their paddy field, and some conflicts has come. That is the reason. So we'll see tomorrow. Let us get the report from the DC.
But we have seen that Meghalaya police are helpless. They cannot take action.
No, don't say helpless. They have to work according to the situation.
Is it because the government asked them to
No, they know
exercise
better than
restraint?
you and me. They are on the field, no? They know better than you and me because they are on the field. That is why I'm telling you that the situation is under control as of now.